We all hope disasters will never happen, but of course they can and do, so it's best to be prepared. There are many ways your business's data can be lost: fire, theft, cybercrime, maybe an ex-employee with an axe to grind. And who hasn't accidentally hit delete on an important document? That's why a reliable backup system is one of the most important protections you can put in place. Choosing the right system takes strategic planning. You need to think about what data is backed up and how often. Where will your data be stored? Who's responsible for checking that everything works? And how long would it take to get back to normal if there was a problem? We've designed backup systems for businesses of all sizes and complexity. Our IT professionals can advise on the right approach for you. That way, if the worst does happen, you can sleep better at night knowing you're fully protected. Let's talk.